You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.
That's the end of this video. Hopefully I was able to make your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. This person was getting gas when a tire came out of nowhere and smashed into their car. Here's a really cool magic trick with springs that seem to never stop getting longer no matter how much you pull on them.
Doing it on stream.
Yeah, well, he's ready. Oh. Either... Wait. There we go.
Must go faster!
Okay, let's warm up with a wingman. Gonna whiff. Whiffity whiff. Wingman car. There we go.
Wingman PK.
Using grapple.
Wings up.